TypeScript Object Types. TypeScript has a specific syntax for typing objects. Object types like this can also be written separately, and even be reused. Look at interfaces for more details. Type inference. TypeScript can infer the types of properties based on their values. Optional properties. Optional properties are properties that don't have to be defined in the object definition. Index signatures. Index signatures can be used for objects without a defined list of properties. Index signatures like this one can also be expressed with utility types like record less than string, number greater than. At the end of this video, I want to say that I appreciate your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Please support us by subscribing to our channel so that we can make more informative videos for you. Share, like, and add comments on this video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.